Hello, my name is Joshua Ford, a senior consultant at FIELDBOSS, and today we're going to show a quick overview of a maintenance contract in our system. A maintenance contract consists of three main areas: a summary page, a service schedule, and a contract billing. The summary page displays all information such as the customer, division, maintenance contract, and contract type, as well as any dates that pertain to the contract's lifetime. The service schedule is the service frequency of when the service will be done. You can have more than one service schedule, as you could have different types of services that need to be performed at various times throughout the contract's life. A contract billing can also be created. This is for billing purposes and is similar to a service schedule. You can have invoices be sent out monthly, quarterly, annually, etc., just as the service schedule's service frequency. Finally, there's also a maintenance service management dashboard. This allows you to see completed service activities or service activities that are overdue that technicians have not been able to complete yet. This concludes maintenance contract overview. Thank you.